War. War never gets old. My name is Jadir. And if somehow you don't know who I am, I would have to say I'm disappointed. You out there, you know who we are. We've been all over this damned universe. It's been 5 long years since we first started destroying your kind. But it seems you still think there is nobody in charge. How simple of you to think that. But where are my manners? I'm talking to a bunch of spectators. Your kind has been watching the actions of this universe since the start, and you still never noticed me. I killed your monk, tricked you into thinking that just by calling themselves the Watch, that they would get the last laugh. But look at this place. Thus is the manner of my job, I suppose, cleaning up the universe for you, making it entertaining. But really, was all of your simple thoughts about how star-crossed lovers would actually get a happy ending? How foolish. You should know by now, I don't let your kind get what you want. This is my universe. Or more specifically, this is forefather property. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the last story humanity will ever tell. Because just as you all like to say, very little is promised in life. Among the promised things are taxes, and what you will see here today, death. I await. Death awaits.